All right, this also will be another alternative route that will take you to the newly expanded Lekki Ekpe Expressway. You already know that the 18-kilometer Eleko to Ekpe Junction Lekki Ekpe Expressway is already there. So this road will take you down. And so if you live here, also, with the fact that we have a proposed Lekki Ekpe International Airport, you can easily access your route. Yes, it means that if you are traveling, you can easily access the airport by taking this route. If you walk in the Lekki Deep Sea Port, you can easily access the environment. And of course, you know that in the same place, you can actually buy and build apartment that you can put out for rent. And you know what that means? That will give you rental income, because believe you me, those guys who will work at the refinery, they will be in huge need of accommodation. So why not jump into this offer now and become the proud landlord right here at Peace Airport, Ibeju Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you.